My name is Turner Howard. I'm an attorney in Knoxville, Tennessee. And let me share with you a case that we had early on in our practice. It's a medical malpractice case. And it's a sad case, but it's a case which we pushed forward very hard to make sure that the surviving family got a good and fair resolution to their case. It turns out that a woman, a mother of two daughters, who had been a lifelong nurse and a lifelong smoker, presents to her primary care provider for a routine checkup. He takes x-rays and notices on one of the x-rays a spot on her lung that was suspicious. He unfortunately forgets about that, places the x-rays back in her chart, and some 9 or 10 months later she calls him back for a revisit and asks him about the x-rays he took some 9 to 10 months before, at which point he says, oops, I forgot about that, come back in right away. They took more x-rays, and this time it was discovered that the spot, the tiny spot some 9 to 10 months before, had spread, was much larger, and had spread into her system, through her lymph node system. And then she was basically terminal, and she got worse and worse very quickly. Whereas before, if they caught it some 10 months before, she would have been easily healed with the proper techniques. It had now become terminal, and her life was going to come to an end. When the daughters came to us after their mother had died and consulted with us about what we could do about the matter, we took the case and we did a lot of research in cancer, consulted a lot of experts, and then went to work and flew all over the country taking depositions and worked very hard on the case because we felt very sorry for what not only their mother had gone through, but what the daughters had gone through in watching their mother die in that long, painful process. The bottom line was, in the end, we got a very fair and just settlement with, quite frankly, a whole lot of money for the surviving daughters.